Hi to everyone. Today, I brought you a new tutorial to the Photoshop Quick Tech Series playlist. This video will teach you on how to cut a shape from another shape and how to cut a shape from an image. It's quite easy like this. Just follow me. First, open a new file in Photoshop. I open a file and save it with the name Cut Shapes. You can give it any name and save as per your need. Now, I am going to create a new layer and rename it Circle 1. To rename a layer, just double tap on the layer label. Now, I browse to the Shape tool and choose the Eclipse tool this way. To maintain a same size for the each side of the object, you may use Shift plus Alt key together. Now, I will fill the shape with the color. You can use any color for the shape as per your need. What I need is to cut a shape like this from this circle one. For that, what I am going to do is create a new layer and rename it as Circle 2. This time, you can draw the circle in a way that the circle 1 should be cut out. I will draw it this way and fill it with another color. I will place it in this position. Now, I right click on the circle 1 layer and select Rasterize layer option. Again, I go to the circle 2 with Control key in the keyboard to get the selection of the layer. Now, I again right click on the circle 2 layer and this time choose Create a Clipping Mask option. Now you see the area accurately masked to the circle 1. Now, all has to be done is just go back to the circle 1 layer and use the delete key in the keyboard to delete a specific area from the circle 1 this way. See how quick is it to cut a shape from another shape? Now, I am going to place it to where I need. To hide the circle 2, just click on the visibility icon beside the circle 2 layer. Now, I will demonstrate you on the way to cut a shape from an external image. For that, I will open a pre-downloaded guitar image without canvas on it. I need to cut a guitar shape like this from this circle 1 layer. For that, I drag and drop the guitar beneath the circle 2 layer. Make sure the clipping mask icon is visible in the guitar layer this way. Now, I zoom out a bit and resize the guitar to the area that I need to cut out from the circle 1 with Ctrl plus T keyboard shortcut. This placement is fine for me. As the clipping mask is already placed in the guitar layer, I just get the selection of the guitar area, then go back to the circle 1 layer and use the delete key in the keyboard. Now see how rapidly and accurately could it be done? You can place anything underneath the circle 1 layer and get the visibility now. Now, I will just change the background color and show you. Here, in this background area, you can type anything or place anything in the way that it's visible from the shape cut. Hope you learned another Photoshop tip from this video. If this video is useful to you, don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe and a bell press too. Thank you for watching our video. Have a good day. Goodbye.